Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Junan Intang. So right now, I would like to present about my research proposal with the title, The Correlation Among Self-Regulated Learning, Speaking Self-Efficacy, and Speaking Achievement of 10th grade senior high school students in Palembang. Okay, this is my background. So in the background, I discuss about widely definitions about speaking. So speaking is considered one of the most important skills in English learning because it allows students to communicate and interact effectively. However, many students still experiences difficulties in speaking English. These difficulties include limited vocabulary, poor pronunciation, lack of fluency, anxiety, and low confidence. Therefore, speaking achievement is influenced not only by language ability but also by psychological factors. So, previous studies show that self-efficacy and self-regulated learning have a significant relationship with speaking achievement. However, the strength of the correlation is relatively low to moderate. And then, in addition, most previous studies investigate these variables separately rather than simultaneously. Furthermore, limited studies specifically focus on 10th grade senior high school students in Palembang. Therefore, this research is to attempt to fill those gaps. Based on the background and research gaps, there are two research questions in the study. The first question investigates whether there is a significant correlation among these three variables, and then the second one question is investigate the extent in which self-regulated learning and speaking self-efficacy jointly correlate with speaking achievement. The objectives of the study are aligned with the research question. The first objective is to investigate whether there is a significant correlation among the variables, and then the second one is objective to determine the extent to which self-regulated learning and speaking self-efficacy jointly contribute to students' speaking achievement. Okay, next to the significance of the study. So, the study is expected to provide both theoretical and practical significance. Theoretically, this study contributes to English language education research, especially related in self-regulated learning, speaking self-efficacy, and speaking achievement. And then practically, this study is beneficial for students, teachers, and future researchers. Okay, next to the first independent variables, self-regulated learning. So, self-regulated learning is students' ability to manage and control their learning process. According to Zimmerman, self-regulated learning includes goal setting, monitoring learning progress, and evaluating learning outcomes. There are three components of self-regulated learning, namely the forward pace, performance pace, and self-reflection pace. Next to the second independent variables, speaking self-efficacy. Speaking self-efficacy refers to students' belief in their ability to speak English successfully. Students with high speaking self-efficacy usually participate more actively and confidently in speaking activities. On the other hand, students with low self-efficacy often feel anxious and avoid speaking tasks. Next to the dependent variable, speaking achievement. So speaking achievement refers to students' speaking performance in English communication in study. Next to the dependent variables, speaking achievement. Speaking achievement refers to students' speaking performance in English communications. In this study, speaking achievement is measured based on 5 components, namely pronunciation, fluency, vocabulary, grammar, and comprehension. Okay, next to the conceptual framework. So this study consists of 2 independent variables and 1 dependent variable. The dependent variable are self-regulated learning and speaking self-efficacy. And then the dependent variable is speaking achievement. This study investigates the correlation among these variables. So this is the hypothesis. These are the hypotheses of the study. The null hypothesis states that there is no significant correlation between the variables, while the alternative hypothesis states that there is a significant correlation. This study used a quantitative method with a correlational design, The purpose of correlation research is to determine the relationship among variables using statistical analysis. The population of the study consists of all grade 10 students of MAN 2 Palembang and MAN 1 Palembang. The total population is approximately 330 students. The sample consists of 4 classes with approximately 120 students, selected using cluster random sampling. Okay, for the research instrument, this study used 3 instruments. The first one is self-regulated learning questionnaire with 24 items consisting. And then the second one is speaking self-efficacy questionnaire consisting of 20 items. And then the third instrument is a speaking test in the form of a monologue speaking test. Okay, next to the validity and reliability. To ensure the quality of the instrument, validity and reliability tests will be conducted. The questionnaire will be validated using confirmatory factor analysis, while the speaking test use content validity. The reliability results show high Cronbach alpha values, indicating that the instruments are reliable. And then, the data were collected in 3 sessions. The first one, students completed the first questionnaire about self-regulated learning, and then students completed the second questionnaire about speaking self-efficacy, and then students performed the speaking test, which was recorded and assessed by 2 raters. And then the data analysis, the data were analyzed using SPSS 27, and then the first is descriptive statistic will be conducted, and then prerequisite tests including normality, linearity, and multicollinearity tests will be performed. And finally, Pearson correlation and multiple regression analysis will be conducted to the test of the hypothesis. And conclusion. So in conclusion, speaking achievement is influenced not only by language ability but also by psychological and learning related factors. This study is expected to contribute to a better understanding of relationship among self-regulated learning, speaking self-efficacy, and speaking achievement. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.